What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone had a good day. Should have. Market went up a lot today. What up, Niku girl? What up, Peasy? Thanks for being here, guys. As always, appreciate you guys.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
All right. So today is Tuesday, March 22nd, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town, let's go. So in the past 2 weeks, we've been having a pretty good run here. Last week, we had like 4-day winning streak. Yesterday, it pulled back, but today, really, really big day. So let's go. Very nice. What up, Zach? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, as always. Alright, so got a great show for you guys today. Honestly, there was a lot to talk about. We'll get to that in a second. So yeah, I got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we have 4 articles. One about the UK and crypto ads. One about NFT phishing, NFT scams. One about the Fed, and one about Tesla. And today for the analysis, we'll be doing MULN and AMC. So yeah, I was not going to talk about MULN today because it really didn't have too much price action. But then towards power hour here, it mooned out of nowhere and then it pulled back pretty hard. So I guess for now we'll stick to MULN. It pulled back to 3% here. Going up in the aftermarket, though. I'm really tired about talking about MULN, but it was number 1 on StockTwits today, again. So maybe we should do it anyway, because, you know, that's what gets the views. We're definitely going to do AMC. That had like 9,000 mentions, almost 10,000 mentions. And a lot of price action there. I was going to do Tesla and GME, because those had major days too. So those are honorable mentions. Maybe we'll do them. Maybe and AABB too, Asia Broadband. Those all made top 10 on StockTwits, major price action. So really I wasn't going to do MULN today, but I guess we will. If you guys want me to do Tesla, AABB, or GME, let me know. I was going to do them. But they only had like 3 to 4,000 mentions each. You know, MULN had 15,000. AMC had almost 10,000. So I think we're going to stick to MULN and AMC because that's what the people want to hear. That's what's going to get the views. So if you guys want me to do Tesla, GME, or AABB, let me know. But for right now, those are honorable mentions. I would talk about them, just that I know they're not going to get as many views, sadly. You know, I really don't want to talk about MULN anymore. But you know, that's been number 1 on StockTwits for almost 4 weeks now straight, 3.5 weeks now, and that's what's gonna get the views. So I guess we'll stick to that. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. And then so yeah, so 2 to analyze today: MULN, AMC, and then we'll get to the Yolos. And there's some pretty good Yolos today. A lot of GME Yolos. I don't know what's up with Wall Street Bets. Well, I do know what's up with Wall Street Bets. Those mods. There's some insider conspiracy stuff going on, because the mods are definitely pushing GME right now. That's how it is. The mods filter out, and you know, don't quote me on this, but the mods are definitely like filtering out what they want to push, and GME is definitely one of them right now. It sure seems like it. Anyway, so we got a lot of Yolos. A lot of lost cord and a lot of GME Yolos. Rainbow Bearing made me tendies despite the cat bounce. All right, cool. Yeah, you know, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So I'm glad you were able to make money today, even though the market was green today, Zach. Let's go Rainbow Bears. Shout out to the Rainbow Bears. But yeah, that's why I love Rainbow Bearing. You make money in bull markets, you make money in bear markets. So, glad you made money there. Zach, what up, Wen? What up, Low Roller? What up, 1010? Thank you guys for being here, as always.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Can you talk about MULN, please? Yeah, all right, we will. It's gonna be more or less the same, to be honest. You know, Miku. From the last few days, but with a little bit different. But it's gonna be more or less the same. But yeah, we'll talk about it because, like I said, you guys want to hear it. The people want to hear it, so we'll do it again. Do BBIG since I'm in it now. I think I did it yesterday. Yeah, I did BBIG yesterday. So that one, I don't know if that one. I think that did make top 10 StockTwits actually, but not too many mentions. That's not too popular anymore. But yeah, dude. I think you were here yesterday. I think you saw it, but I did a video on BBIG yesterday. No BBIG today, because I'm not sure if it made StockTwits, but if it did, it definitely wasn't that popular today. I have a good day skill game, found few bonuses, but later I am almost choked, lose my money again. I guess I went home early, took my profit and run, come back tomorrow. All right, dude. Yeah, glad you made money today. And yeah, I guess that's why you're here nice and early, because you're done playing skill games for the day. So appreciate that, Low Roller. Wall Street Bets getting back into form. It was a little slow for a bit. Yeah, Wall Street Bets. I mean, yeah, the quality of Wall Street Bets has been going down. Just the memes, the YOLOs, everything. Just the overall activity on Wall Street Bets has been going down. That's why I'm kind of disassociating myself with Wall Street Bets now. You know, because before I had it on all my thumbnails. That was really the theme of the show when I made it almost a year ago. So it's been almost a year, guys. It's crazy. But yeah, you know, I made the show. It was like Wall Street Bets themed. And that sub is like pretty trash now. And plus, you know, I'm a professional now. And it's not really the greatest to associate, you know, me professionally with degenning like that. So yeah, I'm kind of distancing myself from Wall Street Bets now. But yeah, it has been pretty trash the past couple of months, I will say. But today, in the past few weeks, it has been getting better. But I don't know, that trash isn't that sub isn't the same as it used to be. I'm still holding MULN. I don't know what price I should sell. All right, well, we'll get to that. We'll analyze it again, Miku. It's not financial advice as always, but it's starting to look pretty bearish. You know, there's nothing wrong with selling around this price. You know, I honestly don't think it's gonna run too much harder. So there's nothing wrong with cutting here, but we'll get to that. You know, we'll analyze it, but it is starting to look pretty bearish. If you're green, I'd sell. Not financial advice. I don't trust it. So 1010 agrees with me. Again, not financial advice, but it's not. There's nothing wrong in selling at 330. Let's just put it that way. 4 would have been great. But we'll get to MULN. What up, iMix Master? The mods wrecked Wall Street Bets. First of all.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And yeah, I agree. You know, I think a lot of mods left, first of all, and then they didn't allow memes for a while. I think they only allow memes on the weekends now. And then they like banned posting images. That was the stupidest thing ever. So you couldn't even post your YOLOs anymore. And they're like very selective in what they allow. Sorry about the sirens, guys. I'm gonna talk over it. they're like very selective on what they actually allowed to get on the front page. So yeah, the sub is pretty trash now. I agree though. It's not the same, and mods are messing that up. But thanks for being here, dude. Less than a month to first year, damn. Yeah, time flies, and we've grown quite a bit. I remember Zach, you were the OG, you and Low Roller. Um, you guys are the OGs, and then 1010 and like Joe came along and Marvin. But yeah, it's been a long time. I think you've been here since like I was at 100 subs or something like that. So you were a real one, dude. I appreciate everyone for for the journey, for all the support. Really means a lot.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
BBIG price action is boring, but what's exciting is that it had a double doji on the daily. Which way is it gonna go? The suspense double doji. I didn't see that, but yeah. So neutral indicator there. Who knows? You know, roll the dice. So get your adrenaline pumping. It's like pretty much gambling at this point. Now longer term, it looks it looks bullish. So I'm not sure if you want to hold for the long term, but I would say longer term it definitely should go back up. Shouldn't really go too much more to the downside. In the short term, it may pull back though. Most my profit went for McDonald's, Taco Bell, and Bus Pass on skill game profit. All right, dude. Well, at least you made something. And, got yourself a meal there. Some transportation. Come a long way from Ocugen Wish MMAT. Yeah, I remember those days. I think that's how you first started. You found the show, Zach. You were used to be Ocugen Bull. And then you did a complete 180. Now you're like a super rainbow bear. I converted you. That's pretty funny. And yeah, back in the day, we all... MMAT, that was fun. We all had MMAT, and we were just like, screw this stock. We all hated that together. Wish as well. It hung out at 3 for most of the day. It's coming back there or lower. Talk about MULN. Yeah, I wasn't going to talk about it today, but during Power Hour here, it had a super run. It went from like -10 to +10, probably even more, and then it sold off like right before the show started. So crazy price action there. But we'll get to that. What up, O'Milly? Nice to have you back. Appreciate you.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
LLL. Yeah, someone, I forget who it was, but somebody in the Discord was also in LLL today. Might have been busy or Machete. I don't know. But I did see in the Discord. And by the way, guys, if you guys aren't in the Discord, if you guys want to join Discord, link in the description down below. Community is growing. A lot of bright minds here. Check it out. So we don't have to chat just on the live show. We can chat whenever throughout the day. But yeah, LLL, that had a major run today. 200% or something like that. Came back down, but at one point this hit $7. So yeah, that was a major runner today. So not sure if you were in that or not, but yeah, major run there. So congrats to everyone in LLL. And I know for sure somebody had this stock. Somebody sold. So yeah, major price action there. I heard a lot of people in here. Thank you guys. I heard Asian guy finally got out of Alibaba stock last week. I watched this latest portfolio video. Why? Alibaba's going up now. Oh my god, I feel bad for that guy. Yeah, that kind of sucks. So he bought high, sold low. Definitely blogs on Wall Street Bets, but I like the guy. Very nice guy. I don't know why he sold that. You really shouldn't sell at the all-time, not the all-time low, but yearly low, 3-year low, and now it's running again. So he messed up. BBI. I don't know if 1010's talking about BBIG or MULN. Been here since Xbox giveaway. I was like 13th subscriber, I guess. Yeah, something like that. You were the OG, Zach. For sure. I remember that. I was thinking about doing another giveaway for 1,000, But I don't know, because I'm spending a lot of money getting this company set up right now. So, a couple, like almost 10K to be honest. So, I don't know if I'm going to do another giveaway. I'd like to, but, I kind of have to watch the spending right now. Make sure, priorities are right. But possible giveaway coming up, guys. Maybe PS5 or something. But don't get too excited. Possible. VWAP was 304. Yeah, I don't know if you're talking about... I think you're talking about MULN. Good call on QQQ breakout yesterday. Alright, first of all, what up? What up, Big Least? And what up, Punk Skater? So thank you guys. A lot of people in here nice and early. I don't know why I'm lagging now, but... Yeah, what up, Big Least? What up, Punk Skater? Thanks for being here, guys.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Good call on QQQ breakout yesterday. Yeah, NASDAQ tech went up a lot today. So, hope you guys made some fat money on tech today. Yeah, the chart was looking pretty bullish. So, I hope you did well there. I was the only one not in MMAT, lol. Yeah, I remember that. But you were in Oxygen. And I don't know if you were in Wish either. But yeah, we were all in MMAT. That was good times. I'm glad we all escaped, too. Touch VWAP this morning, ripped to 295 to 316. Was hoping for a similar move, but ran out of time. Market closed. Yeah, I think you're talking about MULN. Tesla was Rip City today. Yeah, Tesla's an honorable mention. I was gonna do Tesla, but it only got like 4,000 mentions on StockTwits. So honorable mention there. We're not gonna do it, but yeah, for sure, Tesla was ripping. In the past week, Tesla's been ripping. What was that, like 800 or something? Now it's at almost at 1,000 again. So we got some news on Tesla coming up here. There's a reason as to why that is. It's running after hours. LOL. Yeah, it's going back up a little bit. I mean, I don't think it's going back up to 7, but it is. It seems like shorts are covering here in the aftermarket. He got it the day before it ripped. Like the day before? Yeah. I feel bad for that guy. Clown on him. But I like him. He seems like a really good guy. So don't want to be too mean, but yeah, he bought high, sold low. We'll post a link later. All right, sure. He sold Alibaba at 75. Yeah, literally the low. Bought it at what, like 2 something, sold it at 75. I hope BBIG can't take any more losses. Yeah, dude. Like I said, longer term, you may have to hold. I don't know if you want to. It doesn't sound like you want to, but longer term, it does look, pretty bullish. Short term, may pull back a little bit. Cryptocurrency giveaway is much better. That's true. I don't want to give away any crypto, to be honest. One of the bull, gorilla, elephant figurine giveaway would be nice. I mean, we could do that. That's, I feel like that's kind of a cheap gift, though, but... For sure. I do want to give a... I'll think of something. I do want to do a giveaway. I feel like 1,000's a big milestone, monetization and everything. Our big list is royalty in Discord. All right, I did not know that. So yeah, shout out to what do you want me to call you? Big list, royalty, Brian? I don't know, but yeah, shout out to Big list. My newest patron. So really appreciate that. Don't know why ETC is pumping so much this week. I saw an article because they're moving to proof of stake. They're going from proof of work to proof of stake. So apparently they're not going to use that much energy anymore. It's supposed to be a big thing. I don't know too much about the tech behind it, but apparently they're massively upgrading their tech. So the nerds are buying that up. Yeah, give me all the shiz off your desk. You guys joking or what? Like I can do something like that. I do want to do some type of giveaway. Jasmine Coin making a comeback. Yeah, that hit 4 cents. That hit 4 cents. So, I said sell at 35, and then it went to 1. Now it's back at 4. So, I mean, I'm glad for the Jasmine apes there, the Jasmine army, but, still down pretty big from the high. But he is making a comeback, though. It was Oxygen, then full bear mode since then. Only regret is never shorting Oxygen from the top down. Yeah, 18, I remember that. Maybe it'll run back up again. It is making a comeback lately. I don't know if it's going to run that high again, but it is coming back. Tesla back in the $1 trillion club, up 30% in a week. Damn. Yeah, we got some news on Tesla coming up here. We're not going to analyze it today, but we do have an article coming up. What up, Joe? What up, CCC Biz?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for coming. Appreciate you guys. So a lot of people in here, nice and early. A lot of chatting. We've been chatting for almost half an hour now. We didn't even start the show yet. But yeah, really appreciate everyone for being here. This community is growing every single day very fast. So appreciate all the support. Made a nice profit on AVCT. Thanks for the advice. All right, dude. Glad you did. Congrats to you.
Put this money in your savings account.
Awesome, dude. More NFL quarterback move yesterday. Yeah, I saw like Matt Ryan got traded. That was the big one. Who's in AMC here? I think some people are. I think Machete was or is. I don't know if he's not here right now, but I'm pretty sure Machete is in AMC. Jasmine 1 cent, then a sell 4 cents. Yeah, went up about 300%. Pretty big gain there. All right, guys. So yeah, thank you everyone for coming in nice and early. Let's start the show. As soon as I say that, I hear sirens. Never fails. But all right, let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please smash the like button. Smash that like button. And yeah, catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Cool. All right, let's do it. Let me just check YouTube real quick. Let me see how many viewers. 10 viewers, 8 likes. Smash the like button, guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Got more viewers than likes here. All right. So, let's do the watch list. So the Dow Jones up 0.74%, NASDAQ up 1.94%, and the S&P up 1.13%. Let's go. So yeah, major green day today. A lot of tendies. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. The VIX is down 2.15 points, down 0.59, or 2.51%, down 0.59 points. We're at 23 now, under 23. So that is very good. Almost there, almost back to normal. Almost under 20 again. So we've been, trading in the 30s, the high 30s for a while. So in the past 2 weeks, week and a half, we're slowly getting back there, back to normal. Not totally normal just yet, not out of the woods, but almost there. We're at 23. We need to get under 20 for the market to be good again. All right, let's check out the watch list. So a lot of green here. So GME up 31%. That's an honorable mention. Didn't get that many mentions on StockTwits. I'm surprised. GME was like the OG squeeze. And no one really cares about GME anymore. It's all about AMC now. I wonder why. GME doesn't get any love anymore. But that did make top 10 StockTwits. We're not going to do it today, but honorable mention there. Major price action. And we got a lot of GME Yolos coming up. Yeah, looks like the memes are really mooning. Cost, that was a big one that mooned during the whole meme mania round 1. That's up 30% as well. AMC 15%, which we'll discuss second today after MULN. And yeah, AVCT. I didn't even see this. I didn't pay attention to this today, but yep. That won 13%. So congrats, CCC Biz. Big gain there. Alibaba 11%. China's going up a lot today. Alibaba's been mooning. All Chinese stocks been mooning. Yeah, a lot of memes here. Sundial, Express, Wish, Roblox. And yeah, huge day for Tesla. 8% there, back to 1,000. Got some news on that coming up. Neo, 7.45%. Tilray, Skills, more meme stocks. Novavax, Moderna. Moderna's slowly coming back. Yeah, Xpeng, Bitcoin stocks are up, Riot's up. Crypto did really, really good today. Wow, HYMC came back up. Interesting. Okay. Everything up here. Especially the memes. Microvision, Palantir. Yeah, more Chinese stuff. Baidu, MicroStrategy. Coinbase up a lot. 5.24%. Square. Meme Index, 5%. Here comes more sirens. So I'm going to talk over it. Easy Short, Rail. Alright, we'll check that out in a second. And by the way, Zach, I forgot who, but yesterday, after you left, someone was talking about shorting X, I think, or buying puts on X. Forgot who it was, but, was it Punk Skater? I don't remember. But, yeah, I told him to hit you up, because, you know, Rainbow Bears shorting steel there. Forgot who it was, though. I really can't remember. I think it was Punk Skater, maybe. But, yeah, maybe you guys should, you know, talk about that. What up, Jalen?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And what up, Daniel? What's up? Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate you. As always, please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Look forward to the sirens now. Yeah, I'm glad you guys embraced the sirens. You know, it's crazy out here in New York City. I gotta get out of here, but you know, eventually down the road, gonna move out to somewhere more quiet. You know, better for the show. But yeah, it pisses me off more than everyone else. But I'm glad you guys embrace it, and yeah, maybe I should get the Clambulance meme. You guys have recommended that before, from SpongeBob or something. Okay, back to this. Joe is also short steel, short CLF. So yeah, a lot of Rainbow Bears looking to short steel right now. All right, I'm gonna run down the list because it's gonna take too long. But yeah, everything is up, especially growth / memes. BlackBerry, Peloton, Uber, Roku, DoorDash, Ford. So I don't see too many value stocks. They did go up, but not nearly as high as the growth stocks today. But it looks like financials are up. Clover, DraftKings, Virgin Galactic, Ocugen, MMAT. Yeah, there's Bank of America, MULN, which we'll discuss first today. Snapchat, TWAC, more memes. Looks like travel is up. Airlines, cruises, hotels, Robinhood, Paramount. Oh, yeah, Jackass came out yesterday on Paramount Plus. I gotta go watch that. PayPal, Google. Yeah, everything. Discovery, Twitter. More airlines. Nike, Bed Bath & Beyond, Netflix. So here's where the value stocks. They were up like 2%. Yeah, we got Facebook. That's more like a meme at this point, but yeah, Facebook, Nike, Netflix, GM, Amazon. I think someone asked about Intel. Was it you, Bigley? Someone asked about Intel on Discord. I got to answer all the Discord stuff after the show. But there was a lot of chat in Discord today, so yeah, community is really active lately, more than ever, and continuing to grow here. We got Amazon, Apple, yeah, more Microsoft, SoFi, more airlines, cruises, everything in the green pretty much. So the question is, what's not in the green? So yeah, I hope you guys have made some fat tendies here. Pretty hard not to make money, unless you're a rainbow bear. But even then, you should have made some pretty decent money. So congrats to everyone today. Big day here. Yeah, it was you, Bigliest. All right. So yeah, I gotta answer all the Discord stuff later when I get the chance. So I'll give you I mean, yeah, long-term Intel is a good play. I can tell you that straight up, but I can get more specific on the charts later on when I get the chance. Rainbows hiding in the bushes for steel. The minute Ukraine situation dissolves, all these commodity stocks will tank hard. Yeah, very possible, very possible. Or not even like dissolve per se, but once it becomes normalized, because it was a major shock to the supply chain, and everything just got pretty messed up. So, once everyone figures out the new supply chain issues and whatnot, it should come back down to normal. So, yeah, I agree. I think part of this run is people piling in short. It will rip all their faces off, then dump. I get in puts, then pull the plug when I'm wrong, which is a lot, but I'm gonna catch one of these moves. Yeah, so a lot of people shorted because of the whole, Russia thing. And it looks like that was a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, and, a lot of people shorted down, so a lot of shorts covering and people buying the dip now, for sure. I think that's part of it. Recent earnings were weak, but long-term prospects seem solid based on news. Yeah, I think they opened a new factory in Europe recently, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, Intel's always been good. And, in the past few years, like AMD and NVIDIA and stuff really came up. But Intel is always going to be there. But yeah, later on, dude, I'll respond to, I'll look at the chart for Intel for you. And, I'll hit you up on Discord about that. And, yeah, Zach, so... Yeah, options are risky, but if you do multi-leg strategies like Joe does with spreads and condors and stuff like that, it becomes a lot less risky. It's more like a hedge than anything. Pretty safe, I would say, honestly. But straight up buying calls or buying puts are really risky. But professionals use options really to hedge. They use multi-leg strategies. Like covered calls, is one of them. So, they are risky until you combine them and make strategies out of them. So, and Joe seems to be pretty good with the spreads and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to work on Patreon more and really work on more educational content about stuff like that. Intel is solid, just boring. Boring isn't bad, though. Yeah, Intel is very blue chip boomer stock, It is boring, but you can't go that wrong long term. Nile is still sucking. Lost 1K yesterday. Got out and jumped into proc. Alright, that sucks, dude. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, Nile, that definitely looked like it squeezed. I did a video on that yesterday. Talked about it yesterday. But yeah, I think that's pretty much over with. That squeezed. Had some good PR there. And I think it's going to pull back, before it comes back up. So, sorry to hear that, dude. Proc? I'm not too familiar with proc. Let's see that real quick. Proc. Pro Caps Group. Looks very volatile. Are you up or what? Went down today. But it looks like it's consolidating here. possible cup and handle. So it does look bullish in the short term, not financial advice. All right, so onto the red side. So what's not green today? So we got AABB, Asia Broadband. That's like low-key a meme stock. So that did make top 10 on StockTwits. We're not going to do it today. But that went down 21%. Biggest loser here on my watch list. I think they launched a new cryptocurrency platform or something. I don't think it's an exchange, but they had some news today, and I guess it's selling the news here. So major loser there. An INDO. That's one of those small cap oil stocks. Yeah, Nile, that went down. Talked about it yesterday. DD went down. Interesting. Don't know why DD went down. All the other Chinese stocks are up. Other than that, Pfizer. Looks like gold and silver are down. CEI. So it looks like small cap oil. Not all of them, but small cap oil is going down here. Or I guess all oil. Not even small cap. Just all oil is pulling back here. Yeah, CEI. Bumble's down. Dollar General. AMD. Domino's. Nvidia. Wonder why Nvidia and AMD are down. Because tech went up a lot today. Yeah, gold. XCLA. More oil. Exxon. BP. Chevron. HUSA, Walmart, Verizon, and Target. But you're really not much in the red here. Just oil was really what went down today. Oil and gold and silver, it looks like. Anyway, guys, so yeah, great day in the stock market today. Let's get on to crypto. And that did really well also. So, all around green. Give me a second here. Let me pull that up. And let me check YouTube while we pull that up. 15 viewers, 11 likes. So a lot of viewers in here. Thank you guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. A lot of people who didn't smash the like button. ProCap scares me. No volume on that name. Stay safe, bud. Yeah, that's why it looks so volatile. There's probably not too much liquidity. So pretty easy to move that stock. Prog. All right, it was Prog. All right, Proggenity, not Proc. Yeah, we covered Prague a while ago. It's not too popular anymore. But yeah, that pulled back. It should be coming back now. All right, peace out, Joe. Thanks for stopping by. Good night, dude. What up, Machete?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Y'all catch that MULN pump towards the end of the day? Yeah, that was nuts. It went from the red, and it went to like, what, 11% up, and then it pulled back pretty hard. But yeah, I was not going to do MULN today until that happened during Power Hour. I'm like, well, I guess we're doing it again. And you still got AMC, right? I think Zach was asking about who had AMC today. So I think you're a big AMC guy. So, massive get in AMC. I don't know if you sold or what. I think you're still holding. I think you're diamond hands. All right. So yeah, please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't. Let's get to crypto here. So crypto's up 2.72% today. Let's go. I actually think it was up more earlier today. I think it pulled back a little bit, but hey, not complaining. Big green day here. Let's check it out. So let's start with trending and biggest gainers. So Catboy, I think we seen that one yesterday. That's down 51%. So that's number one trending. I don't know why, but yeah, Catboy, number one trending coin. Then there's Teddy Doge, up 106%, and then Shiba Doge, up a little bit there.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
I don't know, but Pretty skeptical about that stuff. And even here, we got Shiba Toby. Who's Toby? I'm assuming that's some type of dog, some character. Why is there no like Shiba Clifford or something? Anyway, so Shiba Toby, 1100%. Loop Swap, never heard of that, 200%. And then Metaverse All Best ICO. So yeah, Shiba Toby and Metaverse All Best ICO.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
And then we got Unitech, Philcoin, Raider Token. I don't know what those are. Anyway, let's get on to the crypto here. Indeed, my ape ass proud to see it today on AMC. Yeah, congrats, Machete. That was some major gains there.
Put this money in your savings account.
All right, so Bitcoin is up over 3%. More than 42K now. Ether's at 3K, 2.75%. Binance up 1.8%. XRP actually went down, but looks like some healthy pullback. Terra went down as well. Big day for Cardano, 6.72%. Solana, 3.27%. Avalanche down. Polkadot, pretty big day, 6.45%. Doge, 2.68%. Sheep, 2.87%. Kronos is up. Litecoin. Bitcoin Cash did really good, 13%. Wow. Yeah, a lot of green here. And Ether Classic is still running, up 16.42%, up 73% for the week. Wow. Ether Classic is mooning here. Why ETC pumping? Yeah, it's because I don't have the article, but they're doing a major tech upgrade. They're going from proof of work to proof of stake, and apparently it saves a lot of energy and stuff. It's really technical. Like more of the nerdy side of stuff, the technology behind it. But yeah, apparently they got a major tech upgrade, and apes really like that. So it's still running here, up 73% for the week. Very nice. Congrats to everyone with ETC. Who would have known? It's number 29 now? Wow. Yeah, a lot of green here. Let's sort it out. Don't see too much red. ApeCoin. Wow, ApeCoin is still running. 22.8% today. Up 1,100% for the week. Wow, ApeCoin. I have a feeling that's not going to end well. But ApeCoin's still mooning here. All right, let's sort this out. So it looks like not too many coins in the red. Yeah, like 10 coins in the red, if that even. So yeah, I'll say like 90% of the coins in the green today, 10% of the coins in the red. And the stuff in the red didn't even go down that much either. Not too much price action. Nexo, Thorchain, everything's less than 3%. Nexo, Thorchain, Terra, XRP, Zcash, Avalanche. That's about it. Neutrino? What the hell's Neutrino? That's a new one. Okay, anyway. So not that many coins in the red, and the stuff that is in the red, not too much price action. And on the green side, most coins in the green and a good amount of price action here. So yeah, biggest gainer, ApeCoin, then IOTEX, Ether Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, all these forks are mooning today. Interesting. Bitcoin Gold, haven't heard that one in a while. As soon as I had Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Gold from the forks, I dumped those immediately. Quantum, haven't heard that one in a while. So Cardano and Polkadot, biggest value coins here, biggest value gainers. But yeah, everything in the green. Everything in the green. Good mix too between growth and value. Nice, nice. So we're not going to run down the whole list, but yeah. Really good day in crypto today. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Great day in the stock market, great day in crypto, all around tendies. Let's go. I bought ETC since it is cheaper than ETH. ETC was second popular coin in Robinhood. Really? After Dogecoin? Wonder why that is. No one buys Bitcoin in Robinhood? Alright, well, it worked out, dude. ApeCoin was $50 in 1 week. Yeah, ApeCoin, that launched. That launched last week, right? Yeah, that came out of nowhere. This is pretty insane. I guess it's legit because it's the Bored Yacht Club thing, their coin. But this is a bit ridiculous. I have a bad feeling it's gonna rug pretty soon. We'll see though. All right, let's get to some news, guys. All right, so Low Roller has an article for us. You should buy those Bitcoin fork now, then sell in crypto bull run. Put some money like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold. Yeah, I think I sold Bitcoin Cash around where it was now, around like 3 something when it first came out. I dumped it immediately, and Bitcoin Gold as well. I'd rather just have Bitcoin, to be honest. But they've been holding up. You know, I thought they were just gonna disappear, but they actually people actually buy those. It's pretty crazy. I don't know a lot of exchanges list ApeCoin in 1 day. Yeah, what is ApeCoin on? I don't even know. Binance. It's on Coinbase too. Binance, Coinbase, FTX, KuCoin. It's on everything. Okay. Kraken, Gemini. It's on everything. Interesting. All right, guys, give me 1 second here. Let's pull up some news. All right. So let that finish. Oops. Let that finish loading. Let me check out YouTube real quick. 13 viewers, 16 likes. Thank you, guys. So a lot of people in here. And yeah, thanks for hitting the like button, guys. If you haven't, please smash like button. Try to get to 20. That's like the average now, 20. Pretty crazy. Like last month it was 10. Now we're getting like 20 likes, like say a show. All right, let's do the news. All right, so this is from Low Roller. Crypto.com becomes official sponsor of 2022 FIFA World Cup in Qatar. All right, that's pretty big. That's pretty big. You know, here in America, we don't really watch soccer that much, or football, right? But this is really not a surprise. You know, Crypto.com, FTX, Coinbase, they've been just marketing everywhere. Especially in sports. They're like taking over sports now. All these arenas getting renamed. Sponsorships everywhere. All these athletes getting involved with crypto. They're getting sponsored. So this really doesn't come as a surprise. But this is really big. You know, if the World Cup is a very... I believe it's... I don't know how many people watch it, but I know it's really, really big. So, yeah, bullish for crypto there. Crypto is largely illegal in Qatar. I didn't know that. Oh. And yeah, it's likely to reach more of an international crowd given the popularity of soccer. Alright, so we're not going to read this, but yeah, I didn't know that. This is some pretty big news. Bullish for crypto. Got to get a lot of international apes buying crypto now. Alright, on to my stuff. So I got 4 articles today, guys. one about UK and advertising on crypto, one about NFT phishing, NFT scams, one about the Fed, and one about Tesla. So let's do it here. UK crypto firms given 2 months to clean up their ads or face closure. So yeah, UK is cracking down now. We've read articles before that Floki Inu was a big no-no. They shut down Floki Inu. Can't advertise anymore, Floki Inu. But now they're cracking down on everything else. So they have warned more than 50 crypto companies to update their ads or risk punishment. So it says that they refuse to name these companies publicly. But yeah, apparently Coinbase, eToro are two of them. Anyway, so this is actually good. I like this, because most of these ads running, for the most part, they're pump and dumps. That's exactly what it is. It's just they spend money on marketing, they pump the coin, and everyone gets rugged. So, I actually do support this. UK is ahead of everyone else. It is pretty ridiculous how everyone's just, because everything's a pump and dump. All these meme coins, all these scam coins. So they are protecting consumers here. I think they're doing the right thing. So I hope more countries follow the UK soon, because everyone knows this is pretty ridiculous, and the unsuspecting investor, the newbie investor, gets hit the hardest. They're the ones who get hurt in the end, and it's not right. So yeah, UK cracking down on crypto ads. All right, next article here. How this crypto investor lost millions amid phishing attack. Lazarus Group involved. All right, so DeFi Capital founder Arthur Ox was the victim of a phishing attack. So they managed to compromise his hot wallet and take control of $1.5 million in NFTs. And it says they moved the assets to OpenSea, and I guess they sold it off. So I don't know exactly what the scam was, but yeah, this stuff happens, guys, and even the best of us, even this guy, I think he'll be okay because he's sounds pretty rich, DeFi Capital founder. So I think he'll be able to take 1.5 mil, but yeah, this is scary stuff, guys. Every day we hear another hack, it's not just hacking too, it's phishing. These scams are getting very sophisticated, and this is scary stuff, so protect yourself, guys. Yeah, pretty sad. Crypto is great, but criminals are very smart, and they'll find a way to get your stuff. And Lazarus Group, I think that's a famous hacking group. So I guess people are suspecting it's them. But yeah, this guy got robbed of 1.5 mil on NFTs. So careful, guys. All right, it says here they sent him an email. So they sent him an email and it had a virus in it. I think that's what happens. Yeah, it doesn't go into that much detail here, but it seems like they sent him an email and the images in the email had viruses in them, and they got into his computer and maybe keylogged him or something. I don't know, but they got his seed. Oh, the Lazarus Group is North Korea. It's North Korean hackers. Yeah, I would not be surprised. So yeah, be careful, guys. This stuff is scary. This stuff is real. Alright, so moving on. Traders bet on aggressive Fed and predict half-point rate hikes in May, June. Will Meade bought $28 million in HYMC 7% after hours. Damn, that's been going back up. I don't believe, that is a straight up meme stock now. Failing gold mining company, and I have no idea why AMC wants a stake in that, but that is just a super meme stock at this point. And Will Meade, I'm not too familiar with Will Meade. I've seen the name before. He's like another Zach Morris, right? This like celebrity that just pumps stuff on Twitter, I believe. Anyway, so that's pretty cool. Pretty ridiculous to me, but okay. Yeah, HYMC pumping. Thanks for that, Tenten. Alright, so traders are betting the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates by half a percentage point at each of its May and June meetings to battle inflation at a faster clip. Market expectations for a more aggressive quicker rate hike cycle rose after Fed Chairman Jay Powell's tough talk on inflation Monday. The Fed is expected to reach 2.25% on the Fed funds rate by the end of the year and a peak of 2.75% by December 2023. It's been a fast forward of a full cycle, said one strategist. All right, so pretty counterintuitive, huh? Because, rate hikes are supposed to be bearish, actually. And usually when Jay Powell talks, things go down. So it's been the inverse of that lately. It seems like nobody cares about these rate hikes. Everyone's buying, whenever the Fed talks, people are buying that now, which was completely different from what happened a year ago. But yeah, so at first, a lot of banks and Jay Powell came out and said there's probably going to be like 7 hikes this year. Probably going to be more than that. And they're probably going to hike it like some pretty big hikes too. I think last time they hiked it 0.25%. And now it's going to hike 0.5%. So yeah, rate hikes coming in really hot here. Because I guess inflation, Jay Powell, the Fed realizes inflation is a real problem. They got to get it under control. Inflation is transitory, right? Remember that? Inflation is transitory. Nope. So now it's getting way out of hand, and they got to, quickly correct it. So they got to take extreme measures to get it under control now. But market doesn't care. Everyone's still buying. So that's good for us, but doesn't make too much sense, to be honest. But yeah, rate hikes coming in, going to be coming in at the in the near future pretty soon here. Aggressive rate hikes. It's moving. One to watch. Bigliest might be a good time to get out if you are green. Was he in HYMC? I'm not sure. But yeah, major price action there. Zach Morris still posting on Twitter for stock. Yeah, I don't know why the SEC isn't going after him. I'm pretty sure that's like super illegal. HYMC 13%. Check that out real quick. It's at 150 now. Wow. I think it was here earlier today. So yeah, quick aftermarket pump here. I'm not convinced. I think it's still going to go back down, but very nice. All right, looks like we got one more article here from Low Roller. What up, EFIT? AMC and GME. Let's effing go. And MULN. Yeah, dude. Meme stocks mooning today. Absolutely. So we're going to talk about AMC. There's actually not too much to analyze on that, though. But yeah, GME, that's an honorable mention. We're not going to talk about it today. Didn't get that many mentions. But yeah, GME was mooning today, and we have a lot of Yolos on GME. And MULN still going up as well. Markets are more concerned about inflation rather than rate hikes. Markets are happy Powell is putting the big boy gloves on to tackle inflation. Let's go up. Yeah, I mean, that's good that people don't care. That's pretty counterintuitive from from everything that's been going on in the last 2 years when the money printer was on. Even if we do hike rates, we were at 0, still well below where rates have been historically. That is true. We're at 0. The money printer was on for 2 years. Money printer's off now, but still doing well, which is a good thing for us. I'm glad it's still going up, but we're not going into a recession. Well, I'm not going to say that. We might, but not looking like it so far. The Fed need to stop investor buying all the house, but they don't live there. Well, I can't really stop that. But yeah, I guess, a lot of rich people investing in real estate. What's up? Yeah, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. Appreciate you.
Hey. What's up?
Naked stock back up $2. Yeah, I did see that was running today as well. So it looked like that bottomed out. Maybe it won't reverse split, but still down pretty big. All right, next article here. Elon Musk breaks out the dance moves as he opens up new Tesla factory in Germany. The Tesla CEO is set to cut a red ribbon at the new Gigafactory Berlin plant in Grunheide. Don't speak German. Tesla sees Berlin factory producing up to 500,000 vehicles annually. Wow, that's pretty big. In recent quarters, Tesla has been exporting cars from China to customers in Europe. Okay. So yeah, this is why Tesla went up so much today. Big news here. So Tesla's an honorable mention. We're not going to talk about it today, but it did go up like 8%. So big news here. The Berlin factory, European factory, did open up today. And yeah, here's Elon Musk doing his thing, doing his little dance. This guy's nuts. Cool. Some landlord getting greedy, raising rent $500 to $1,000 a month. Need some rent control to prevent landlord being too greedy. Well, people are gonna pay it, so yeah, pretty tough. But yeah, rent control is really good. A lot of my family uses rent control. All right, so what's this? Alibaba surges more than 11% after it ups share buyback program to 25 billion. Wow, okay. I didn't know this. So I guess that's why Alibaba is up so much today. I mean, China's up in general, but yeah. $25 billion buyback, very bullish there. So it's going to buy $25 billion throughout a 2-year period through March 2024. All right. So that's why Alibaba's popping so much today, I guess. Cool. So thanks for that, low roller. All right, guys. So that is all the articles for today. Let's get to some TA now. Let me actually check StockTwits, see if anything changed. But I'm pretty sure we're going to stick to MULN and AMC today. All right, let me check StockTwits real fast. All right, so yeah, we see by far MULN 17,000 mentions, AMC 10,000 mentions, and then it drops off pretty hard from there. Then it's Tesla I want to do Tesla, but it's only 4,000 mentions. GME 3,500. AABB less than 3,000. And Highcroft actually made number 10 now. So I do want to do Tesla and GameStop, but it's really not even worth it. They didn't get that many mentions. And I just don't want the show to run too long. Huh. Alright, I guess we're not going to do them. But we really should, but yeah, I don't think it's worth it. It's going to make the show too long, and not that many mentions, so I don't think I'm going to get that many views from it. Let me look at them real quick, though. Does ApeCoin mention StockTwits in the last 5 days? I think it made trending. I don't know if it made what's it called? Top 10 most active, but I think it made trending, yeah. What up, Leonard Armstrong? Thanks for being here, dude.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
CEO scammed everyone. CEO of what? He paid himself 8.5 million bucks. Unbelievable. I'm going 100% AMC again tomorrow. All right, dude. What CEO paid himself? Which one? Please clarify. But is that a surprise? Talk about AMC. Let me look at Tesla and GME real quick. I mean, maybe, do you guys want me to do this? There's really not too much to go off of here. Just really a cup and handle. That's all I really see here. And then GME. Same thing. There's not too much to go off of these stocks. Just really cup and handles and stuff. MULN CEO. All right, that's not surprising at all, to be honest. But yeah, that's pretty unfortunate. What did he do? Did he cash out his shares, or did he do an offering? I think he... Is there news on that? No news about that. So I guess he just cashed out his shares. I'm assuming. Which, you know, it's not illegal. You're entitled to do that, but he's been, you know, going on a media tour lately and pumping the stock up. So I guess you can't blame him, you know, selling high, but yeah, it is pretty shady. It seems pretty shady. It doesn't give the investors much confidence. And then watch, from here it's going to rug. I can see that. What do you expect? Exactly. Typical CEO behavior. Stay safe, Leonard. Maybe go 50%. I mean, I do think it will pull back down to 180, and that's about 50%. So I think he sold 200K shares. Yeah, that's a lot of shares. But yeah, not surprised at all. It is holding up, though. Did he sell it? Did he sell it during Power Hour when it ran up at like 11% and then it came right back down? Sold shares earlier this month, like 2.5% of his holdings. He still owns a couple million shares. MULN is swing trade, not investment. If you're in it, take profits. Yeah, I agree. I mean, any meme stock is. I wouldn't hold it, but a lot of apes do believe in it long term. Other insiders are still buying. At these prices? Really? Are they nuts? I had to sell for tax purposes, like Elon Musk, right? You know, I guess it's not that bad if he only sold 2.5%. You know, can't blame him. He's selling high here. But it really doesn't help out the investors. Sending a bad signal to them. It will need rent control. House will collapse like 2008. I sure hope not. You know, real estate is a good hedge to inflation. But that was a whole different situation here, because people bought houses they couldn't afford. And they shouldn't have been able to get those loans anyway. And yeah, it got wrecked. But yeah, definitely there needs to be some more rent control. Yeah, level the playing field. What up, Carlos? Any thoughts on Nile? Well, first of all.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, I talked about Nile yesterday. I did a video on that, so you can check it out if you want, but yeah, honestly, dude, it looks pretty bearish to me. It looked like it pumped up on news yesterday, you know, losing a lot of momentum here. Got some bearish indicators, cup and handle here, and gap up. So, I do think this has a good chance of coming back down to 60 before it goes back up again, unfortunately. Longer term, it does look like a pretty good stock to own, though, to buy and hold. But in the short term, there's a good chance it comes back down to 60. And it's pulling back in the aftermarket, so that's not good for tomorrow. Bearish indicator there. But if you want, dude, I talked about it yesterday. I did a video on it yesterday, so you can check it out if you want. So that's the short answer to your question. Essentially use profits from shares to pay yearly taxes. It's pretty common. Yeah, that's like a rich people thing. Aren't the insiders the shell companies that are probably trying to do a hostile takeover? Part of the Isusa Holdings gang? I have no idea about that. I don't even know anything about it. A hostile takeover or shell companies in that. Didn't do much DD on that, but maybe someone else can answer that. Someone who knows more about MULN. I like BitConnect scam meme song. Yeah, that's a good one, right? It's a scam.
Hey, you gonna lose all your money? That's a scam!
Yeah, you wanted the BitConnect memes, dude, so I added them. Sounds like a conspiracy to me when they would need a lot more shares and nobody wants to take over a crappy company. Yeah, I have no idea about that. About any hostile takeovers, and not that it's not happening. I just haven't. I'm not in the loop about that. But I guess it's a possibility. Been enjoying your TA lately. Much appreciated. All right, dude. Yeah, thanks for... I don't think you've been in the show before. Maybe you have, but... Yeah, dude. Thanks for watching, and I'm glad you enjoyed the content. All right, guys, so let's get to it. Let me check YouTube real quick. 12 viewers, 18 likes. Thank you, guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And all right, let's get to some TA. Gonna take a quick drink, and we'll get started. So we're just gonna do MULN and AMC today. No Tesla, no GME, but honorable mentions there. All right, let me just double check for some news. I don't think there's any news. All right, let's do it. Why is it lagging now? All right, I think we're good. So here is MULN Mullen Automotive. This finishes at $3.31 today. That is up 3.12%. So once again, we're going to analyze this stock. Been talking about it for 3.5 weeks now. It was still number one on StockTwits. Over 17,000 mentions today. So we got to cover it once again. So I wasn't going to talk about this initially because this actually was in the red, deep in the red most of the day today. But throughout the day, it just kept popping up, and really towards power hour, this had a major move to the upside. Crazy price action. It went to like plus 11% and finishes at 3%. But yeah, stock is not done squeezing just yet. Still going here. Crazy price action today. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. It just seems like the overall market doing really well, especially these retail stocks. AMC, GME, the retail favorites doing really well today, and it appears like the squeeze is not over just yet, although it does appear like it is cooling off. Not nearly as much price action as the previous days, and volume is going down here, so I think the squeeze is coming to an end. Hopefully not, though. But let's go ahead and analyze it. Make it rain, lol. Yeah, you like that money. Let me X out StockTwits here. Hold on, let me just close down. There we go. Went from down 9%, up 13%, finished 3%. That's crazy. Yeah, crazy price action. Absolutely. Like Fat Joe, right? Mega Rain. That was a while ago, that song. I'm getting old. Okay. So let's first start off with the bullish indicators. And this is going to be more or less the same from, the past 3 weeks. But so first of all, we do have a gap down at 1190. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 1190 to fill that gap. It may take a while, but eventually it should. And then we got one here. And then we have another gap down at 465. So another bullish indicator there. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 465 to fill this gap. I think that's unlikely. That seems unlikely. That's going to fill in the short term. But possible, because this did hit about 420 yesterday. So this may fail in the short term, but even if it doesn't, eventually it should come back up. This should come back up to 465 to fill this gap. So another bullish indicator there. And this does appear to be a bull flag forming right here. No confirmation just yet. Yeah, can't really see it on that. But it appears like we have a flag pull over here, and a flag is developing right now due to this pullback. So that's another bullish indicator. If this is in fact a bull flag, that is telling us that the stock may want to break out to the upside soon. All right, peace out, Machete. Thanks for being here, dude. Catch you later. Asian guy explained what he got at Alibaba. All right, we'll take a look at that later. Did you dump your Alibaba stock? Yeah, I dumped it at like in the high 100s. Couldn't take it anymore. Yeah, I'm out of Alibaba. So I mean, I'd still. It's a good thing I dumped it. I may get back in now. But yeah, I dumped it. I'm not holding it anymore. If it comes back to like 100 or 80 or something, there's a gap there. I may buy back in, but I'm out for now. All right. And then we do have this huge cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 52 cents, the low. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 380. And if it is 380, that would be a bearish indicator because that would mean the cup already topped out. And it should pull back from there. But it can also be above 380. And if it is above 380, that would be a bullish indicator. It can also be 585. $740. Actually, 585, 640, 740, 815, $9, $9.80, $10.50, $11.65, or even the high of $15.90. So the cup and handle can be a bullish or bearish indicator depending on where the top is. But longer term, that does appear to be a bullish indicator, and shorter term, that does appear to be a bearish indicator. I do think the most realistic tops would be 380 or 585. And now let's get to the bearish stuff. So this is a triple gap up. First gap up at 60 cents. So bearish indicator there. That is telling us that the stock may come back down to 60 cents to fill that gap. Looks pretty unlikely at this point, but possible. So keep that in mind, guys. And then we have the second gap up at 150. Another bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may come back down to 150 to fill this gap. And then the third gap up is at 180. So another bearish indicator there. That is telling us that the stock may come back down to 180 to fill this gap. So I do think 60 cents looks a bit unrealistic at this point, but I do think 150 and 180 are very possible. Okay. Zoom out here. Oops. Damn, trying to get it better. Alright, that's better. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Where's our base now? For MULN? What do you mean base? Well, I'm going to do the analysis right now. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that, though. Where's our base? Please clarify. And thanks for being here, dude. Baba guy is up about 7%. Since dumping Baba, he is 2023, 2024. Leaps on Boeing, Bumble, Facebook, PayPal, SoFi. A lot of meme stocks there. They hold like 90% of IMHC, which acquired Nile, which they hold a lot of shares. And in IMHC went from 7 cents to 51 cents yesterday. Who? MULN? Really? Interesting. I didn't know that. And no, I will not stop calling him Baba Guy. He will always be forever Baba Guy. Yeah, because that's where he got wrecked. It's not important to normal investors, but it is interesting what these guys do. Yeah, I don't think many people know this. Sounds like some shady stuff going on in the back. So good to know. Well, and thanks for that. Got your low roller. He got a new thumb kissing B for Bumble. Yeah. He's all about that Bumblebee Baba guy. Alright, we'll check it out. Alright, so right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 340 and 320. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 340, 360, 380, $4, 410, 425, 440, 460, 495, 525, 550, 570, 585, 610, 640, 660, 675, 690, and then 715. There is resistance above 715, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 320, 290, 270, 255, 225, 190, 170, 135, 115, $1, 75 cents, 60 cents, and then the low of 52 cents. 52 is the all-time low, so no support below that. So right now at this current price, 331. The channels to the upside and the downside are normal sized, so expect a normal amount of price action either way this goes. However, to the upside, if/when this breaks 460, the channels start to open up and get really wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 460. And to the downside, if/when this breaks 320, the channels start to open up and get pretty wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 320. RSI is currently at 70. So this is officially in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 258 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Way above the average. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Although that is a major pullback from the past 3 days of volume. Although that is a major pullback of volume from the past 3 days. So it does appear like the momentum is cooling off and the squeeze is possibly coming to an end. Okay. So just my opinion, guys, not financial advice, and this is going to be more or less the same from what I've been saying the past few shows. So longer term, this does appear to be a good buy and hold. Again, we got some pretty strong bullish indicators. Double gap down, cup and handle, possible bull flag. So a lot of upside potential in the long term. But in the short term, we are getting some pretty strong bearish indicators now. This has been squeezing for the past 3 weeks, and this is going to have to come back down at some point. It's a matter of when, not if. So, like I said, it looks like the momentum is cooling off, and I do think this is due for a pullback in the short term. Again, we have the triple gap up, high RSI, and cup and handle. So those are some pretty strong bearish indicators there. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. While there is still more upside potential, I really don't think it's going to run too much higher to the upside. I do think this topped out at around $4. But I will say, if this does keep running to the upside, I do think the absolute top would be around 570-ish. Because that would be the next top of the cup after 380. So I think it's unlikely it gets back up there, but possible. So still more upside potential, although I do think this will probably pull back in the short term. So I don't like the entry of 331. I think at this point you missed your chance. It's been running very hard for the past 3 weeks, and I think going long here at 331 would be straight up FOMO. You'd be buying in the relative top and probably going to get burned. So I would say going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. Too risky for my liking. I don't really recommend it. So if you do want to go long here at this price, please do that at your own risk. And if you want a really good price, if you want a really good entry, I would say hold off until at least 180, because that's where the gap up is. I think there's a very good chance it pulls back down there. And it may even pull back down to 150 and 60 cents, although I think 60 cents is unlikely. But yeah, I think this is due for a major pullback. And if you're a little patient here, you should be able to get a much better price than the current one of 331. So I don't like the entry of 331. I would hold off and set the buy orders to 180 and lower. And if it pulls back below 180, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, it seems like a pretty good play to me. Again, a lot of bearish indicators here. Looks like it's going to pull back in the short term. Again, triple gap up, cup and handle, high RSI, momentum cooling off. So everything points to this pulling back in the short term, and it may even pull back pretty significantly. So while there is still more upside potential, I don't think you can really go too wrong shorting here at 330. Let's see. Do some math there. So like I said, I do think this will pull back down to 180 at least. And from this current price, 330, that would be about a 45% downside. So a lot of downside potential, a lot of money to be made here on the downside. And I do believe that's the minimum it's going to pull back. Let's see. I think there's a good chance it pulls back down to 150 as well. And from this current price, that would be a 55% downside. So I can't exactly say how far this is going to go down, but there is a lot of downside potential here and a lot of money to be made. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. I say medium risk because, again, there is still more upside potential. This may have a little bit more room to run to the upside. But I think for the most part, the squeeze is coming to an end. So really shouldn't be too risky and a lot of downside potential. So going short looks like a pretty good play here to me. I would support going short at 330 and higher. And I would say please cover at 180 or 150 where the gaps are. And that should be a relatively easy 45 to 55% gain on the downside here. Okay. So, pretty straightforward here, guys. This stock has been on a massive run the past 3 weeks. Long term, looks like a good buy and hold. But in the short term, this probably has to give back. This probably has to pull back. Momentum is cooling off. A lot of bearish indicators. I think the squeeze is over. So I don't think going long is a great idea here. I would hold off if you want to go long. Be a little patient, and you should be able to get a much better price. And if you want to go short, this current price of 330 does appear to be a pretty good entry on the short side. A lot of money to be made here. Going short. So long-term bullish, short-term bearish. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN Mullen Automotive. All right. So you got a lot of Yolos, low roller. All right, we'll get to that. It's a weird channel. Him ranting about being a delivery driver, getting money from a firm, a random walk. I check in on him every now and then when I'm bored, but okay, back to stocks. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's more like a vlog channel. It's not like totally about stocks. He talks about his positions, but yeah, it looks like he just vlogs his life, which is cool. Take you through a day in a life of DoorDash driver. I wonder how he got that much money in the first place. He had like $150K to blow. And I found out he was just a DoorDash driver. I'm like, damn, how'd he save up that much money? But yeah, he's a very likable guy. I feel bad because he got wrecked, but very likable guy. Full disclosure, my HYMC puts will get burned tomorrow if we hang above 150. What's the expiration? Because I'm pretty sure it's going to come back down at some point. But you may get... That may expire before it does. If you short MULNU shares, IV was like 300, 400%. Monthly options, yeah, absolutely. Shares for sure. Yeah, you shouldn't buy options. I wouldn't even buy calls at this point. I would just stay away. If you're going to do options, sell the options. That'd be really good. But yeah, for sure. No reason to buy options at this point. All right, it's going up here, so. And in the aftermarket here, this is going up to 336. So that's a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that the stock will run to the upside tomorrow if this aftermarket action holds. All right, AMC. And this shouldn't take too long. We're almost done here. April 14th expiration. Yeah, so maybe you should just diamond hands that. That is a good amount of time. 3 weeks left. Yeah, it's pretty trash stock to me. I don't know. I just don't see it. It's a super meme stock. It doesn't make any sense. So, even if it gets wrecked tomorrow, you know, I just diamond hands that. There's a good chance it comes back down. Your Bitcoin expire this week. Contract, yeah, expires on Saturday or Friday. Friday, I think. Friday or Saturday. So, easy money. Let's go. And I think I'm going to go for the June calls next. Same thing, 75K strike. And I'm happy because Bitcoin's going up, so that's more money for me. Because when it was back below 40K, it wasn't even that much money. But now it's at like 42K, so the premium went up because crypto went up. So happy about that. Hope it keeps going up before then. All right. AMC. So here is AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $18.26 today. That is up 15.13%. So major price action on the stock today. Looks like we got a 5-day winning streak here. 6-day. Looks like we got a 6-day winning streak here. This hit a low of $13 and has had a pretty big bounce since then. So yeah, been going up the past. So been going up the past 6 trading sessions, and a major run here today. Major win here today. So really no news or anything to justify this price action today. It just seems like the overall market is going up, and especially the retail stocks are going up. The retail favorites like AMC, GME, MULN, Tesla, all those stocks are moving today. So this appears to be very retail driven, and because it's just overall the market has been recovering. So let's go ahead and analyze here. And really there's not too much to go off of, to be honest. But yeah, this looks like a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being $13. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $19.55. $23.60. $29.85. $13.95. $34.80. $44.60. $52.40. $65, or even the high of $72.60. Although I do think the most realistic tops would be $19.55. Or $24.35. Or $23.60. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should run back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. This does appear to be a bull flag in the making. No confirmation just yet, but we do have a nice flagpole forming here. So if we do have some pullback, a flag would form, and that would be a bullish indicator. That would tell us that the stock may want to break out to the upside. And in the aftermarket here, this is running pretty hard, up to $19 now. What is going on here? What the hell? What is going on? Wow, okay. And I'm not really sure what's going on in the aftermarket here. This is running pretty hard at the time of recording. It's up to $19.15 now. So that's another bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that the stock will run to the upside tomorrow as well. What's going on here? MULN still has some gas in the tank, no pun intended. That's a good one, dude. Yeah, it does. But not too much, I don't think. Running on empty pretty soon. Most memes are moving after hours. GME went 1%, red 4%, green. Yeah, I'm like looking at this happening live. $19. What is going on? When we first started talking about it, it was at like $18.50. Now it's at $19. I don't know what's going on here. This is crazy. What up, Swarley Barkley? Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Think you're new here, so welcome to the community. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the community. Elliott Wave prediction. MULN will moon tomorrow. Yeah, it still appears like there's upside. I'm not sure if it's going to moon per se, but it does appear like there is still more upside potential. But just be careful, because I think it's due for a pullback. But yeah, definitely not. It still has more upside potential, so good luck to you, dude. My perfect day would be memes, run, and big name dump. So, yeah, like an ape. That's what the ape's like. GameStop pumping too? Yeah, what's up with these memes? Is MLUN running? It is, wow. Everything's running. GME? Yeah, this is Wow. What is going on? This is pretty nuts. What about Tesla? No, Tesla's not doing anything. Yeah, what's up with the memes? Memes are running pretty hard. Shorts covering, it looks like. Please smash the like button, guys, if you haven't yet. Okay. And no bearish indicators here. So overall, the chart does look bullish in the short and long terms. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Is it risk on? What do you mean? Is it risk on? Not sure what you mean, dude. AMC short squeeze? Yeah, meme short squeeze right now. Everything is short squeezing. So bull market is back on. Yeah, it appears like it. I don't want to say for sure, but yeah, we've had some major wins at the past couple trading sessions, and yeah, I think so. You know, it went down because of the whole Russia thing, and people are stuff is getting back to normal here. So it looks like a lot of shorts covering and people buying the dip. So I don't want to say yes for sure, but it appears so. Yes. Is trunk stock pumping? No, it's not. No, it's not. So this one's missing out. All right. Zoom in here. Risk on means you buy high growth speculative stocks. Risk off means you buy good value companies. So risk on means you be an ape. That's what you're saying. And risk off means be a boomer. No, you should diversify. Let's put it that way. But everything's going up right now. Growth and value. Everything mooning. I heard C19 is back. Yeah, in China it's pretty big right now. Here in America, not really, but I think in China there's an outbreak. What up? Ella blah blah Bella? I'll just call you Ella. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Haven't seen you here before, so welcome to the show. Welcome to the community. Spent a rag on Mullen at 150, sitting on 66 stocks. Tempted to sell. Yeah, well, you know, not financial advice, but we just covered it. I think you're late here, so you missed that. But I've been covering MULN for the past 3 weeks. Yeah, in summary, I think it may keep going a little bit more, but I think the run is coming to an end. To be honest, it looks like momentum is cooling off, so it's never a bad idea to cash out. You're up over 100% there. No shame in hitting the sell button. Not saying you should, but I think coming up here, it's going to start pulling back. But good luck to you, and thanks for being here. I'd rather be late than wrong. I'm not jump ahead first into the bull market bounce just yet. Yeah, better safe than sorry, but it does appear like yes, bull market's back on, I would say. BBBY going up too. I like that stock. Pretty sad because it's not that great of a company, but yeah, that's another meme stock there, BBBY. We'll check it out in a second. Let me just get done with this. IMW above 250 equals risk on for me, and a safe risk on. Or ARC above 90. Okay. Yeah, what's ARC at? That's been getting wrecked. Everyone's clouding on Kathy Wood. We'll check those stocks up. We'll check those stocks after I'm done with this. Yeah, I've been lurking in your streams and watch your vids. Yeah, gotta get that profit at some point, I feel. All right. Well, I'm glad you... thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. And I'm glad you're chatting now. So, appreciate everything. Appreciate you. And yeah, at some point, you got to hit the sell button. Maybe not yet, but pretty soon, I would say. Not financial advice. But yeah.
I appreciate you.
I jump head in when I feel I think it's bull market. That's why I lose a lot of small plays and then make it up with 1 or 2 huge plays. But I'm getting too old and my anxiety is off the hook recently. Well, that's how it is, you know, when you try to time the market. You're trying to time the bottom, for sure. High risk, high reward. So if you have cash to keep averaging down, it's fine. But yeah, I feel you, dude. You get older and, you know, you got a family. I don't know if you have kids, but I think you have a wife, right? So can't really go super ape mode. Unless you don't tell her. But yeah, that's a little bit irresponsible, you know? So got to be more conservative when you're older there. When you got more responsibilities. She might leave you for her boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. Short-term uptrend for now. ARK went from 52 to 67 in a week, 30%. Everything went up like 30%. The whole market, really. SPY went from like 410, 420-ish to like 450, 460-ish. So yeah, everything is up about 30%. Wife and kid? All right, yeah, I didn't know you had a kid, but I remember you said you had a wife, so. Yeah, dude, you can't be as risky as, you know, you can't be a super ape, so you got to do it in moderation, but. Yeah, I feel you, dude. This stuff is definitely nerve-wracking. It does, day trading and, you know, it is pretty stressful. Buy and hold is the safest conservative thing to do, but. Yeah, at least, you know, you're aware of this. Because there's some people who just blow up their whole kid's college fund and mortgage their house and buy in margin and stuff like that. So don't do the super ape stuff. You'll be good, dude. Only thing holding ARK up is Tesla, and Tesla just keeps going up and up. And I think she dumped her Palantir, too. Palantir's going up as well. Can't help it. Yeah, I feel you, dude. We all got that itch, that degen bug. But you gotta be smarter. You gotta do smarter gambling, not just straight up gambling. Trying though. Yeah, dude, it's okay. You gotta know the limits. You know, know what's too risky, know your limits, and what not to do. But you sound like you got it under control, dude. It doesn't sound like you're gonna blow up. You're not gonna waste away all your money and blow up your kid's college fund or anything like that. All right, back to this. Cool. So yeah, I'm surprised so many people are still here in the when I'm doing TA. Usually people dip, but yeah, appreciate everyone. People been staying around for even when I do the TA. So yeah, you know, really appreciate all the support, guys. Smarter gambling, not dumb gambling. Yeah, damn right. Not degenning, smarter gambling, for sure. All right, let's see. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1855 and 1780. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1855, 1955, 2035, 2115, 2245, 2360, 2435, 2535, 2675, 2785, 2895, 2985. I guess we'll go to 30 here. And then 3090. There is support, there is resistance above 3090, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1780, 1730, 1650, 1535, 1410. How low should we go here? Maybe 10. 12.95, $12. 12. $10.90. And then $9.85. $9.85. There is support below $9.85, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, $18.26. The channels to the upside and the downside. They're pretty wide actually. Yeah, I'll say they're normal. Are pretty decently sized. So expect a normal amount of price action either way this goes. However, if the stock keeps going to the upside, the channels open up and get wider. So expect an increase in price action. If the stock continues to run to the upside. RSI is currently at 57. So a little bit above average there. Nothing to be too concerned about just yet, though. So according to the RSI, this current price of $18.26 is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit lower. And this did 78 million in volume today, which is below the average. So this pump today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. I think this one is pretty easy. Again, not too many indicators, but the indicators we do have are all bullish. Cup and handle, bull flag, and aftermarket action here. No bearish indicators, and we have a neutral indicator in the RSI. So overall, this does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. In the short term, this does have the potential to go back up to 1955, where the top of the cup is. And it's almost there already in the aftermarket. And maybe it can even get to 2360. So, therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, the current price of $18.25 isn't exactly the greatest entry. You missed a massive run the past 6 days. But it's definitely not a bad entry. It's a decent entry. I would say it's a pretty average play right now. You should be able to make money to the upside. It does look bullish. Just not the greatest entry at this point. So you missed a lot of money already, but $18.25 still appears to be a pretty decent entry. Not great, but not terrible. So I would support going long at $18.25. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. But yeah, there still appears to be a decent amount of upside potential here. Again, I think this definitely can run back up to 1955 or 2360. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. Again, no bearish indicators on the chart right now. Looks pretty bullish in the short and long terms. So maybe you'll get the opportunity to short this if this explodes to the upside, if it keeps running. But for right now, I don't think going short's a great idea. Don't really see a reason to do that. Looks pretty strong, chart-wise. And if you were to go short, you're probably going to get burned. So maybe in the future you'll have a better opportunity, but for right now, I don't think going short's a great idea. Going short would probably be a medium risk, low reward play. Just not really worth it, in my opinion. So really no reason to go short here at the moment. All right, guys, so pretty straightforward here. We got bullish indicators, no bearish indicators. So in the short and long terms, this does appear to be a good buy, and it should run to the upside. So, not the greatest entry at this price, but still pretty decent, and really no reason to go short here. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock, and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. Alright guys, so we're done with the TA. AMC TA is so long. Yeah, it's just because a lot of people are chatting, so my bad about that, but you know, always welcome that. Or degenerate gambling. Yeah, there's that too. Looking at ARK, holding is fascinating. Yeah, let's look at some of these stocks you guys mentioned. So ARK, yeah, there's a gap here. That's pretty scary. But yeah, ARK has been going up. Looks pretty bullish though. Cup and handle, bull flag, but there's this gap up here. That's pretty scary. But yeah, this has been mooning. Forgot what else you guys wanted me to look at. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, this has been mooning too. But this chart is insane. Holy crap. But, getting pretty risky at this point. I like this stock, though. But, yeah, what a chart. Straight up meme stock. Alright. So that's it for the TA, guys. Let's do the Yolos. Give me a second here. Looks like a low roller has a bunch for us. Yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. Let me check in a second how many people are still here. I think a lot of people dipped, though. I've been saying that, but then a lot of people are still here. Alright, let me pull up these. A lot of Yolos today? Yeah, you got a lot of Yolos, and so do I. So I guess we'll do yours first. Alright, let me check YouTube here. So we're at 10 viewers and 20 likes. So still a lot of people in here. Appreciate everyone for sticking around. Yeah, you know, so the boring part's over. So now's the fun part. So give me a second here. We'll let this finish loading. And we'll do the Yolos. So maybe, I think we'll be done here in 20 minutes maybe. 6:30. We'll try to get out of here at 6:30. Don't forget, Asia got portfolio update. Yeah, we'll get to that at the end. Alright, so still loading here, but we'll get started anyway. And please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys. Alright, I don't know why this is still loading, but we'll get started anyway. Alright, guys, so today we got a lot of Yolos. We got 5 here from Low Roller, and I think myself, I have like 8 or 9 of them. So, we'll run through them pretty quickly. But yeah, a lot of stuff to get to here. A lot of lost corn. A lot of GME gain corn. But yeah, let's do it, guys. I saw this one before. I didn't put this in mine, but yeah. This guy, Sunzin 710. The road from 500 to 100,000, part 3. Oh, this is new. Okay. 70K so far. Don't ask me for previous positions because part 1 and 2 will be linked in the comments. Alright, so yeah, this is pretty insane. How this guy's running it up so hard. Like, literally went from 500. And he's doing it. He's running it up. He's at 70K so far. So, this is a ticking time bomb, you know. This is a combination of skill and luck. But, you know, one wrong move and this can blow up pretty quickly. So, but pretty impressive up to this point. Yeah, literally ran it from $500 to 70K. So, I'm going to scroll through his positions here. So he's Shopify now. Yeah, it looks like it just Shopify. But yeah, we reviewed this one yesterday. And Yeah, this guy is actively trading FDs. So it's pretty impressive that he even got to this point. Honestly, I don't think most people can do this. So I do think there's a lot of skill and luck involved. He doesn't seem like a complete ape, but definitely getting somewhat lucky here. So, you know, at some point this is going to go bad. I just sure hope he gets to 100K before it blows up in his face, because this is very risky stuff. But up to this point, very impressive. 500 to 70K. A lot of people can't do that. I sure as hell can't do that. I'd be having anxiety through the roof trading these FDs, day trading these FDs. So good stuff. So yes, Sun's in 710. Thanks for posting. Thanks for the update. And you know, there's nothing wrong with cashing out right now. This is you already did way more than enough. So be safe, dude. I hope you make your goal. But this is already a great run, and yeah, you know, nothing wrong with taking profits right now. But hope you made your goal, and please post updates. Congrats to you so far. Dude usually gets in and out of positions, usually a couple weeks. I like it. Yeah, so I guess he's swing trading FDs, not necessarily day trading, but yeah, risky stuff. Risky stuff. All right, by Stifler. So this guy's a legend. Later one. Peace out. Thanks for being here, dude. Good night. Tesla gain after a wild ride. 35K and out just because the wall is at 1,000. The wall at 1,000 is too big. Okay. So yeah, this is a legend on Wall Street Bets. Reviewed this guy a lot of times before. Super degen here. Always has great content. So what do we have here? So we got Tesla FDs, April 14th. 6 calls. Looks like the 925 strike. So this appears to be a 70K YOLO, approximately. And so he was down, actually, today. And in one day, he ran it up almost 40K, 39K. So, yeah, right now he's up 35K. So good for this guy. Already cashed out, so he hit the sell button. Yeah, this guy seems to know what he's doing. He has some of the craziest swings. But I think overall he's in the green. But yeah, this guy Stifler, somewhat of a legend on Wall Street Bets. So glad he made money here. So yeah, congrats to you, Stifler. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you, and hope to hear from you in the future. Mexico will pay for the wall. The wall at 1K? That's pretty funny. Got some Trump jokes. We're not going to read the comments, but yeah. Wall Street Bets has some pretty funny comments. Alright, balls of steel, bro. I am down pretty hard. What should I do? Got another 40K to gamble with. Any recommendations? Oh my god. Well, first of all, where's my meme here? So, what should I do?
What am I gonna do?
I love that one. That's one of the better ones. So he since 2018, so it's been like almost 4 years now. He's down 40K, 39K. Looks like he found options around 2020, and it's been like straight nosedive, and then big loss here, made some back, big loss, and then big loss again. And he blew up his account.
And it's gone.
Step away from your computer, sir. Yeah, that'd probably work. BitConnect crash. All right. Yeah, that one works too. Yeah, lagging a little bit. Yeah, what am I gonna do? Yeah, how about you don't gamble another 40K? Honestly, if he had 80K in total, right? He could have just put it in SPY And that would have went up like 50%, probably even more in the past 4 years. So, yeah, he did everything totally wrong here. So, I'm glad he still has money. He didn't gamble his whole account, or he did, but he didn't gamble all his money away. So what am I going to do?
What am I gonna do?
Don't gamble it. How about that? Don't gamble it. Just put it in index fund or something, something safe. Stocks, buy and hold. Chill with the FDs. It didn't work before, it's not going to work again. So sorry for your loss. And just chill out. Just chill out. That's what you should do. That's a recommendation. Chill out. GME AMC pushing 10% after hours. What's AMC at right now? 20? 1975. Yeah. Wow. I don't know what's going on here. This is nuts. All right. Well, congrats to the apes. All right. So by Outrageous Goat 6983. 1 million lost to date. 900K net loss, 1.7 mil since all-time high. 80% of net worth. Ouch.
Be connect.
So this is in euros. So this is the past 1 year. Down 256,000 euros. And, wait a minute. And this is year to date? What is going on here? Yeah, so he was at 1 million, and now he's at 230,000. Which is still a lot of money, But yeah, this is how you blow up your wealth. You just had to put it away. You could have been good for life. Just put it in SPY or something. But nope, got to degen, got to gamble. And yeah, there goes your wealth. There goes your, generational wealth, really. But you know what? He's still okay. He's still okay. He still has more than enough money. But I know this hurts a lot. So, at the end of the day, he'll be okay. But expensive lesson learned here. And, yeah, I kind of feel bad, but not really, because this is pretty stupid. But, yeah, this really sucks. But great loss, Corn. So, yeah, Outrageous Goat. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. And just chill out. And, you still got money. Just chill out and invest it safely. He said he has a story here. All right, he says. So he had Tesla, but he sold it. So he sold covered calls on Tesla. And I guess he got called away. So he sold his longs and kept the short on Tesla. So he was short on Tesla. Is that what happened? Wow, okay. I think he sold naked calls. That's what it seems like. Okay, so he sold covered calls, but then he bought back. Basically, he had naked calls on Tesla. He sold naked calls, and Tesla exploded, and he got wrecked. All right, I see what happened. Oh, naked puts, my bad, naked puts. He sold naked, yeah, so not many people can even afford, trading naked options, but you run the risk of, doing that. So he got wrecked on naked options on Tesla. That's what happens. Yeah, that sucks. Finally remember when meme mania started up last time, markets dumped, volatility was all over the place. Yeah, because the institutions were selling off their regular stocks to pay the memes, to cover the memes. and then it's gonna dump, and then everything else is gonna come back up again. So my girlfriend of 5.5 years dumped me yesterday and is moving out of state. Question is, do I go all in on Doge or Bitcoin? All right. Oh yeah, I guess she left you for her other boyfriend. You could do both. I say mostly Bitcoin. You can get some Doge too, but no, don't all in. You can all in Bitcoin, but don't all in Doge. I would say you can buy Doge though. Just diversify. GME up 70% in the past week. Really? Yeah, it was at like 80, so that makes sense. It was below 100. I know that. Something's about to get crazy again. Imagine the squeeze. People are still diamond handing. The squeeze is not over just yet. That'd be crazy. That'd be fun. He should go all in Tesla stock. He's multi-millionaire today. He did. Except he sold naked puts, and that didn't go well. So yeah, never play naked options, guys. All right, so that's all the low roller stuff, and let me pull up mine now. Oh, I only have like I got 8, so quite a few, but we're almost done here, guys. We should be done in like 10 minutes. Give me a second here, just pulling this stuff up. Meme squeeze happened. Dogecoin go up crazy. Is it going up right now? You're making me excited. I forgot that. All right, we'll get to that. All right, we'll give this a second to load. Yeah, why not? We'll get started anyway. So this one is by Shmoyi. Held calls through ex-dividend date. 30K vanished overnight, like giving an infant power tools. All right, so this is for ZIM. I forgot who had ZIM. Somebody in the community was playing it. Maybe Joe, but I remember you guys talking about ZIM. ETC. That's Ethereum Classic. All right. So yeah, this was yesterday, I guess. So 40 calls ZIM, March 25th. So super FDs, $80 strike. So he was up. So 10K YOLO, he was up 22K yesterday, 222%. And let's see what happened today. Boom, he literally lost everything. So he went from being up 22K to down 7.5K in a day. Wow. Ouch. So gotta hit the sell button, guys. Don't get too greedy. This guy got too greedy. And that's what happens when you play FDs. There goes everything. Ouch. So yeah. Smoyi, thanks for posting. Great loss, Corden. Sorry for your loss, dude. Better luck next time. Hit the sell button, dude. Gotta take profits off the table. You should have taken at least 100% off or something, you know. But yeah, you got too greedy here. That's how it goes. So I hope you learned your lesson. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, and good luck to you. Alright, this is by King NFA. Accepting a share buyback without any shares. Negative 108% return loss. Never thought I'd make it here. So how is this even possible? I mean, definitely margin. That's how. So this is in euros, but yeah, it looks like he lost 450,000. Is that correct? I think it's 450,000 in 1 year. Anyway, yeah, down 108%. So blows up his whole account and more. And now he's Robinhood's gonna come after him for gonna margin call him.
Be connect.
So yeah, I don't know what he did, but it seems like FD Yolos and margin or both. But ouch. Yep. Now he's in the negative. Pretty impressive. So yeah, King NFA, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss, dude. Hope you're okay. But yeah, chill out with the margin, dude, and chill out with the FDs. And good luck to you. And we got a bunch of GME stuff here. So this is by Hamsterv60. Big gain here. 468%. We got, oh, this is Alibaba. Okay. Yeah. Everyone talking about GME. Any love for Baba? So, yeah, this guy, he's up 210K. Wow. So this appears to be like a 50K YOLO. 40K YOLO, 45K YOLO, and he's up 210K right now on Alibaba FDs, March 25th, 2022, 110 strike. Yeah, so super FDs paid off here. So big gain there on Baba FDs. Congrats, dude. This is by Albui. So yeah, this is a GME gain corn here. Nothing too crazy. So it looks like a 2K YOLO, and he's up 5,100, but that is up 250%. So gain wise, percentage wise, that's pretty good. Money wise, 5K, still pretty good. So yeah, super FDs, March 25th, 105 strike, GME. That should be up a lot more now, especially in the aftermarket here. So yeah, this should be higher, but yeah, big gain, big gain. Asian guy jealous other people making money in Alibaba. Yeah, but even if he held, he'd still be underwater by like a lot. So because he didn't buy the bottom, but yeah, damn shame he bought high, sold low. All right, now we got some GME stuff. Yeah, so this one GME March 25th, 2022, 101 calls. So I think this one should be even more as well. But yeah, this one is 15K gain here, 150%. Nice, nice. Yeah, so we're not going to... Well, I'll just give him the J-PAL and we'll move on. But yeah, more GME gains here. And it should be higher than this now. Alright, by Easto No. So 2K to 20K on GME. So April 1st, 2022, GME 100 calls. And yeah, wow, he ran it up here. 2K to 200 to 20K. Very impressive. So he also had 110 calls. April 14th, March 25th. So that should be even higher now. So yeah, Ape's money, making a lot of money here on GME. Wonder what it is now. Alright, by Jade Dowell, 98. First 1,000% bag. 700 to 8.8K. So more GME FDs here. So 175 strike. Wow. That's a bit ambitious. So 175 strike, March 25th. I don't know about that. I hope he hit the sell button. Yeah, it's not even close. It's at 140 now, so. Yeah, this is definitely a sell. If you didn't sell yet, gotta hit the sell button, dude. Come on. This is stupid. Hit the sell button, or else you're gonna lose everything. Yeah, I really hope you hit the sell button. So if you didn't, hope you sold. If you didn't sell tomorrow morning, first thing. Otherwise, this is gonna go really bad. Imagine it does go to 175. That'd be pretty hilarious. But yeah, congrats to you, dude. Big bag. Straight up lotto tickets here, and it's still out of the money. So hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. All right, this is by Simple Map. More GME FDs. This one is for, yeah, March 25th. What's the strike here? Looks like 90 strike. $90 strike. So this one's safer. But yeah, he's up 12K in one day here. Up 400%. All right. And I guess we got two more here. From Low Roller. Give that a second to load. Yeah, I'm loading those up right now. And then we'll... Where's the YouTube? Can you link the YouTube video again? I don't see it here. Alright, held all my Doge and bought this car. Thank you, Doge, for giving me the courage to YOLO. Oh, you bought a Porsche? Nice. Oops. Yeah, very nice car. Porsche. Should have bought a Tesla, though, or a Lambo or something. Well, Lambo's too expensive, but... Nice car, but a lot to maintain. Tesla would have been better. Cheaper and more efficient. But alright. Doge making money here. It's still going up. 145 now. Wow. Maybe it will hit 175. That'd be something, huh? Alright, GME gains up 67K in a day. Yeah, so just a lot of, so he already hit the sell button. But yeah, GME, wow, 100% in a day here. So 65K YOLO, and he's up, 67K. Yeah, apes are printing on GME. That's insane. YOLOing 65K on FDs. But yeah, 110, 120 strikes here. March 25th, and he already sold, so good stuff. So yeah, a lot of GME gain cord. Yeah, Low Roller, can you... Alright, I'll find it. Don't know where the YouTube video is. There it is. Alright, so that's all the YOLOs for today, guys. We'll finish up with a quick YouTube video about our favorite Alibaba degen. How many people still here? 5 people, so yeah, most people dipped. So thank you guys for sticking around, for chilling. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. And we're almost done here. So let me just finish up with this YouTube video and we'll get out of here. Little long, 8 minutes, so don't really want to watch this whole thing. But yeah, let's see what he did here. He has 1.5K subs. Pretty good. All right, so wow, he's only at 6.6K now. So yeah, 150K to 6.6K. And yeah, he would have been up more if he kept his Baba stuff, but Ouch. Yeah, so now he's Boeing, Bumble, Facebook, PayPal, and SoFi. A lot of debit spreads here. So I don't really want to watch this whole thing. Put it on 2 times speed. See what he says. We'll watch a little bit, but I don't want to watch this whole thing.
Everybody, in this video, I'm going to give an update on my portfolio. Right now, my portfolio is $6,647.20. I have a Boeing 140-150 call debit spread, Bumble 2025 call debit spread, FB 140-150 call debit spread, PayPal 50-60 call debit spread, and SoFi $2.55 call debit spread. If you noticed, I finally got rid of my Bobby position. I can't stay in Chinese stocks at the moment right now. Perhaps when things cool down, but I don't even know at this point. Let me explain to you. So I'm pretty sure most people who keep up with...
Yeah, so he said he dumped his Chinese stocks. So he literally dumped it at the low, and they go mooning again. Feel kind of bad. But he said he can't do Chinese stocks anymore. So he literally dumped it at the bottom.
The news already know what's happening in Russia and Russian stocks. So this article explains a little bit of it. As wide-ranging sanctions cripple Russia's economy, many international investors have determined the country is no longer a place where they can invest their money. So because of sanctions, many investors, they're deciding that they don't want to be in Russian stocks anymore. They want to get the hell out. However, this article explains that they can't even do that. The United States and its allies have made Russia the most sanctioned country in the world, and caught in the economic crossfire are foreign investors. The value of their holdings has plummeted. Russia's stock market remains closed. So of course, people want to get out, but they can't even do that because the stock market isn't even open anymore. And we all know why. It's basically they want to just cover their eyes, cover their ears, and just pretend like these stocks are actually untouched. But we all know in reality, they plummeted.
Yeah, but what does this have to do with China? I guess he was fearful about Russia, and maybe because China is helping Russia, so I don't know. But let's see.
But investors can't even get out. More. And this is after the sanctions crippling Russia's economy. Now, what does this have to do with Alibaba or China? Now people are starting to talk about sanctions against China. Like this, China threatens retaliation if U.S. sanctions...
Yeah, alright, so basically he got scared because China is an ally of Russia. And he's scared that, you know, China is going to intervene and help Russia out and therefore get sanctioned, and their market's going to go down as well. But their market's been going down for the past 2 years, so... Yeah, anyway. So I see the logic. So he's scared that Russia's going to help China. I mean, China's going to help Russia, and in turn, the whole world's going to sanction China as well with Russia. But yeah, he literally sold the bottom there. So I feel kind of bad. He gets to it. He says they are going to do the same to China. Yeah. So I mean, it makes sense. It's a legitimate, you know, fear. But it seems like he was wrong. Or at this point, he's wrong. And, you know, the Chinese market went down so much already. So it really couldn't go down that much more. I guess it could, but... So he was fearful about sanctions. And no sanctions so far. Although I do think it would be a little different because you can't sanction China as easily as you sanction Russia. Because I definitely think China has a lot more leverage. I mean, Russia has leverage with the gas and stuff, the oil. But, you know, China sells to the whole world. They sell everything to the whole world, all the goods. So I definitely think it'd be a lot harder to sanction China. But, yeah, I think it seems like he's wrong on that. So, he's probably kicking himself. Did he make an update video? Like, damn it, I shouldn't have sold. Anyway, so, yeah, kind of feel bad. Blew up his whole account and couldn't take it anymore. Cut it, and then it goes up. So... I know what the meme is. Where is the meme? Hold on. There it is. He sold. Pump it. Yep, that would explain it. Accurate representation there. GME touched 148. It pulled back to 143. It's going to be wild. Yeah, I wonder what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know what's going on with these memes right now, but they are absolutely mooning. So we'll keep an eye on that. But tomorrow may be crazy. Unless China invaded Taiwan. Yeah, that is true. That may be something. But as of right now, no, it does not appear like that's going to happen just yet. So, The Chinese stock market is okay for now. Yo, what up, Lewis? It's my boy Lewis.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Glad to have you here, dude. I think it's the first time we made the live show. But you came in at the end. We're almost done here. We're about to get out of here. But, you know, appreciate you for stopping by, dude. And thanks for showing some love. I hope Dogecoin is next. Yeah, me too, me too. That'd be nice. Alright, guys. It's the glasses for me, lol. Yeah, you know, you gotta get the, it's like the Wall Street Bets guy. So, hell yeah. But, you know, Wall Street Bets is pretty trash now. But yeah, we still repping Wall Street Bets. You know, I got the jokes, got the memes and everything. Alright, guys. So, yeah, that's it. That's the show for today. So, that went pretty long. 2 hours, 40 minutes. I did not think it was going to be that long. But, yeah, we got through a lot of stuff. A lot of news, a lot of TA, a lot of Yolos. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Most people dip, but, yeah, that was a good show. That was a good show. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed. What's up? Yeah, for sure. Alright, guys, so if you have anything else, put in the chat right now. Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put them in the chat. Otherwise, we get out of here. And please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Let me just check YouTube. I think most people left. Oh, 6 viewers. Alright. So, thank you guys for sticking around. You guys are loyal. Where's my memes for that?
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Yeah, appreciate all the support, guys. Seriously. Channel's been growing like crazy. Community's growing. More people in here every day. And, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. So, no one's saying anything, so I think that's it. Alright, going once. Going twice. Cool. Let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after the market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.